G'day everyone, Shane here from Fanmaster Australia. Today we're talking about something that doesn't always get the attention it deserves, but it should. Welding fume classifications here in Australia and what you need to consider if you're working in or around welding operations. First up, what are welding fumes? Welding fumes are a mix of airborne gases and fine metal particles generated during welding. They may include iron oxide, zinc oxide, aluminium oxide, nickel, chromium, copper, and lead, depending on the materials you're welding. And here's the big one. As of 2017, Safe Work Australia and the World Health Organization classify welding fumes as Group 1 carcinogens, meaning they are proven to cause cancer in humans. In Australia, welding fumes fall under hazardous substances in the Model Work Health and Safety Regulations. They're assessed and classified based on the chemical composition of the fume, whether from base metals, coatings, or fluxes, the level of exposure, the duration, frequency, and air concentration, and process type, whether TIG, MIG, stick, flux core, or other. Whether you're managing a workshop or working solo, here's what you need to watch. Firstly, it's important to assess the risk. Use the Safe Work Australia Hazardous Chemical Information System to classify the fumes you're exposed to. Know your material, your consumables, and your welding process. Secondly, ventilation is mandatory. This is where Fanmaster comes in. You need local exhaust ventilation like fume arms, hoods, or inline duct fans, general dilution ventilation, such as wall exhaust or roof extraction, and makeup air, so your extraction doesn't create negative pressure. Thirdly, personal protective equipment is very important. Use the right respirator, P2 at minimum, or PRPR units for high-risk work, and always pair it with proper ventilation. Fourthly, for jobs involving hexavalent chromium or nickel, you may need ongoing health monitoring under WHS regulations. And finally, record keeping and training. Ensure you document your high-risk assessments and ensure everyone on site knows the hazards. At Fanmaster, we supply extraction and ventilation equipment built for welding environments, including inline duct fans, which are perfect for drawing fumes out through ductwork, wall-mounted extraction fans, centrifugal roof fans, and finally, fixed and portable fume extractors for welding bays or fabrication shops. So if you're welding, remember, welding fumes in Australia aren't just unpleasant, they're regulated and potentially dangerous. Get the right extraction, use the right PPE, and stay compliant. You need help setting up your extraction system? If so, give us a call on 1300 900 345 or head to fanmaster.com.au. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more no-nonsense HVAC tips that actually make sense. And remember, at Fanmaster, we're more than fans. We're the experts in cooling, heating, and ventilation.